Awesome. Hey everybody, this is JJ Long from JJArtworks, and in today's video we're actually at my apartment complex in Lowell, Massachusetts, and I just wanted to show you guys a quick gallery tour of some paintings they hung in the hallway at my apartment complex. I just hung about like 36 paintings the other day. It took me like a good 4 or 5 hours or so, but I'm really happy with the outcome. I think it looks really cool, and what's great about my apartment complex is that they really cater to artists, and if you get permission from the office, they let you hang artwork in the hallways and everything, and I got permission, and I'm just really grateful that I live in such an awesome art community, and they really embrace the arts and everything. So let me take you on a quick tour, and this will probably be a quick video, and yeah, let's just go. Okay. All right, here we go. Out the door, out the door. Okay, so we're actually going to start right on the outside of my my apartment. Let me go in the hallway. I hung a few paintings, a little cluster of paintings right there. I think it looks pretty cool. I like how everything's kind of not in a linear fashion. It's kind of all over the place. So that's pretty cool. Then I got one right there. And basically these are all paintings that I hung in the atrium downstairs in the lobby, and I just kind of reconfigured everything up here. So I got this whole entire hallway. That's pretty cool. I'll start off with the left wall right here. And I actually live in a really cool old mill building in Lowell. And that's pretty cool. We'll go down the right wall.
So yeah, I'm done. It's like, oh, maybe that's what how many painting books this weekend they hanged like 1,000 pictures in the hallway.
How you doing? So that's this wall. That's pretty cool. And then I actually have some stuff around the corner too. I got like, I think like 5 or 6 paintings or so, so I just want to show you that. Yeah, this is pretty cool.
No.
I like that. Cool.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Cool. And that's basically it, guys. Definitely have an eclectic mix. My subject matter is pretty much all over the place, but yeah. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you like anything, let me know. Shoot me an email. You can email me at jjlong@jjartworks.com. Everything's for sale. I do installments. I try to make things as accommodating as possible for people. And if you want to have a quick gallery tour and come out and see these in person, let me know. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That would be amazing. Also find us on social media if you could. Facebook, Twittergram, I just made something up. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and then check out JJArtworks.com if you could as well. Your support is greatly appreciated, and thank you guys for tuning in. I'll talk to you next week in another video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.